well. We're on day 7 now? Told you I'd soon lose count. Anyway, doing maintenance this morning, greasing everything up, checking oils, put some hydraulic oil in, telehandler, usual servicing, make sure nothing breaks down, can't afford a breakdown, remain in house, all gone. Just been picking out all this, we're getting all these old lintels and coins and large stones as well. We'll see if we can reuse them. We can see this is the existing wall down here, and we've picked everything out from the back of there. We've still got a few pieces up in here, but as we're clearing all this away, we'll just go through it as well and pick out all this external stone. Lads are over here, sweet telehandler, big machines just fluffing it up, just helps the lads find out where all the external stone is. So we're just working his way right around building. Now we're up here, got to come all the way around here and down here. These lads are just sorting out from this side, working up, and then we've got this dumper which has got all these coins in. I think we're going to be most of the day clearing all this off and getting through all this stone, and there's quite a lot of it. This is where we're tipping it down there against that concrete block wall, and we'll bring cropper down. I think I said yesterday, water this hole down here. Just going to get rid of these few lintels that are floating around down here. Just throw them in this dumper, and then we can get them out of the way. Hopefully we can reuse these somewhere. I'm not going to use them for the new external lintels because we're going to put new in there, but we might be able to face them up and redress them and make them into walling stone, or we could cut them down and make them into like stone sets or curbs, something like that, but we will find a use for them. I think these are the old coins that are on the building, so again we'll use these, probably use them in a wall to redress over the, or clad the concrete block wall, something like that. Buried in here, so we can dig it out. See what it is. Yeah, a bit of walling stone, I can use that. Just had dinner. We're probably about 50% of the way through this external pile, and yeah, house was back up here somewhere. We're about 50% of the way through. So what we've got to do, all the hardcore is in that pile, giant bucket down there, and we're just skimming off all the stone, and then lads are just coming in and picking out all the external stone. And then all the internal stone that we're going to keep for rebuilding, we just fluff it up, and all the big stuff comes to the top, and then we just skim it off the top. That needs must. I've got to run because we have to keep working and doing stuff to pay for all this lot. So I'm going back to office now. Just going to put my camera on a time lapse for the afternoon. Get a gist of what we're doing.
In your mind, coming in with the rain. Tell me, does it feel like home? Let it in, let it go on now. Pull it close to give it up somehow. Tell me, do you stay the same? If you could just see me now, would you believe it now? Clouds breaking, the sky spilling over. I'm coming clean in the water. You were just holding out for everything you got now. Come close, you can lean on my shoulder. We're coming clean in the water. Tell me, does it like it alone? When you're left with the world all alone. Tell me, does the time slow down? Let it in, let it go on now. Feel a change to what it's all about. Tell me, does it all slow down? If you could just see me